Are you, did you get left behind? Hey, did you get left behind? Did Dad leave you? So it's Thursday and today, June 19th, and Dad's hired man here, Aidan, is just changing out the gear oil on the wheels. I think he's on his last one. And he's got a buddy with ducks here to help him out. And they're just going to fire up this Muskeg tractor. So they had to get the plugs here to a certain level so that they can change out the nuts there and fill it full of gear oil. And Aidan's been on this task here all day. I guess they actually had it locked up, and then Aidan discovered that it was maybe not as safe, but he's been hopping underneath there to get everything undone. Kind of a hottish day here. It's getting warmer, so getting under that machine gives them a little bit of shade. But yeah, so we gotta get going on this machine because need to get Aidan back in full gear here because we need him at the shop, and Dad needs help, and Dad's not going to crawl underneath that machine, guaranteed. That's why we like having Aidan at the shop. So this is what the boys been on to all day. As you can tell, that track's a little loose right now, and that's just because they've probably been farting around there, moving this back and forth. I think the track on this side here is okay. I can't remember. It looks a little loose. Let's tighten that up. I think it's hydraulic. These ones, it's the same as the Muskeg tractor that we're doing that's on the inside. So they're going to do some work on the engine. And Dad cleaned out that rad yesterday a little bit, and it was full of all kinds of junk. But I think we're going to have to send that one in for service as well. And then at the end, we're going to paint it. But I don't know the condition of the engine yet. I'll have to get Aidan to give me the full-blown report on that one. But as you can see, you know, things are being held together by Gatorade cups. Lord knows when the last time it had an oil change. That looks brand new. So does the belt. So there is some newer stuff on the machine. But just cleaning this out, we did a pressure wash already, but there's still all kinds of crap done now. And if it's anything like the Muskeg tractor we got in the shop, it's going to be full of twigs and leaves and whatever else. We did source out a local guy here in town that'll do the replacing of the windows, which is good, and he'll even give us the window rubbers. And so that's nice to know, but they are going to have to take these windows out and get some of these things replaced, and then obviously get into the paint job. There's some damage here, as you can see, so Dad'll have to grind that down and do some welding, and there's lots of grinding and welding that'll have to be done on this. I think I already mentioned that this is a fix and sell job, so we're being tasked to fix it and then sell it on the back end, so you guys will be able to purchase this at the end. So if you like what you're seeing, you can make an offer at the end, but it'll probably be the same price as what Dad's is, and they're very close or even not the same year, so you guys will have your choice. But it's the end of the day, and they're just putting the tools away. And I'm going to be back here in the morning and feed the dogs. Dad's out of town for a couple of days to go visit a buddy out in Selkirk. Aidan's in charge. He'll be working on this all weekend, and I gotta do a bunch of stuff on the outside, so I was told by Dad to stay the hell out of the shop, even for cleaning up, because Aidan's got enough work out here to keep him busy. And yeah, there's the update for today, guys. Aidan, anything to add? Well, I told him just to walk around what you're doing here. You're gonna put in the gear oil tomorrow, or?
No, I did all the gear oil.
Oh, okay. Perfect. So they're all done then, or just the one?
No, all of them.
Okay, perfect.
There's just that one that
was it pretty dry, or?
Most of them were all good.
Yeah?
Like, they look brand new, so none
really?
of them,
okay, well, that's good to know.
Yeah, none of the bogies were leaking or anything.
Okay.
No water.
Okay.
Just add this.
What's your general impression of this engine so far? This is the diesel, right?
Yeah, a little 4-cylinder Perkins.
Okay.
Aspirated. It runs good.
Yeah.
It fires right up now.
Okay.
We just put the rad back on today.
Yeah, I saw that.
Just
yeah.
temporarily,
yeah.
so we could move it.
I saw what Dad was cleaning up there yesterday. It looked pretty black.
Yeah, it's pretty filthy.
And like you can still see like a lot of these it's got to be straightened out and whatnot. So they I would imagine this is going to go on for service to West End Rad. We use West End Rad on Logan down in Winnipeg, so that'll eventually have to come back off and in for service. But yeah, so that's the today, guys, and hope everybody has a good day.